To my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can cancel your any subscription or for any services that you purchase on Amazon. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do it for Amazon Music. Okay, now it's totally up to you, your decision which subscription to have or not. But yeah, due to some personal reasons I decided to cancel my Amazon subscription, and that's what I'm doing here. That's an excellent service, but yeah, there could be certain circumstances where you want to take it off, and that's the reason I am doing now. So what I have done, I have logged in into my Amazon account. I did it on mobile, but you can do it on your desktop too. So you see on right hand side top, I have put a dot, a red color dot, so where your name appears. Okay, so this is the area you have to tap. Okay, so once you tap it, it's gonna go to the next screen, which looks something like this, where you see lot of options. Okay, and one of the options is this one, your membership and subscription. So because of the privacy I have made this video in the format of screenshots, not the live video, but still I'm gonna cover all the content for you. Then once you tap on it, on this page you are gonna see all the Amazon subscription. Like for me it was first Amazon Prime on top, then when I scroll down I could see Amazon Music. So if you have other subscription too, but yeah, do not confuse this with subscribe and save. Like if you're buying some products on the regular basis, like let's say garbage bags for an example, or anything else, that come to a different section, not this is for Amazon services. Okay, so don't confuse this with those products that you subscribe. That's very important, otherwise you'll be struggling. So I went here, so you see here they have an option of cancel subscription. So I tapped on cancel subscription. Okay, now it gave me warning, are you sure you will lose access to your personalized and created playlist? Of course, if I cancel. So I tapped on continue to cancel. Now before I could even see on even on this page, they have a button of confirm cancellation, but at the same time they are offering you more services, I mean different packages. Of course, that's how a business does that. Instead of losing their client directly, they offer more packages, plans that may suit you, so that the relationship could continue. So it's up to you. If you like one of those plans and you want to go for them, you can change it right from here. But in my case, I was determined that I am not gonna use it. So I tapped on confirm cancellation, and that's it. It was done. They did ask few questions as survey that about cancellation, but that's not mandatory. It's totally up to you if you want to answer those questions. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.